Hello and welcome to our Irish Life. It is a grocery shopping day today. We are hosting some friends and family at the weekend, so most of this is going to be for the barbecue that we will be having, and also some breakfast options and stuff for the guests that we have over. So I'm not going to do a meal plan this week. We are going to work off what is left over, and also I'm going to have a bit of a clear out of the freezer and try and use that. And yeah, so I don't need to give a meal plan for this week. It's going to be a bit of a strange one. So yeah, it's going to be a quick video today. We are just going to go to Aldi and then literally do the haul at the end because we are under a bit of time pressure today. So yeah, let's go and see what we get today. Snack and chicken, $1.99. Oranges, $1.95. Pink lady apples, $2.99. Cherry tomatoes, 99¢. Cucumber, 85¢. Dried cranberries, $1.99. Free range eggs, $3.79. Beef quarter pounders, 4 packets at $4.49 each. Coleslaw, $1.15. And another one. Sausages, $3.39. Regular sausages, $1.35. Smoked rashers, $2.39. Black pudding, 95¢. And white pudding, 95¢. Orange juice, $3.29. Crispy bacon, $2.69. Cheddar and mozzarella, $2.09. Cheddar slices, $1.75. Cheesy singles, $1.29. Butter, $3.99. And another one. Whole milk, $2.45. Skimmed milk, $1.25. Chunky burger sauce, 85¢. 2 tins of tuna at 89¢ each. Sweet corn, 27¢. Baked beans, 89¢.
Wow.
Baby potatoes, $1.39. Red onions, 49¢. I didn't buy any of these this time, but they do look super fun. There's like caramel, Mars and Twix options, so they could be delicious. Bagel thins, $1.79. Croissants, $2.29. Pan au chocolats, $2.49. Caesar salad, $2.79.
Okay.
Cheese strings, $3.49. Feta cheese, $1.29. White bread, 95¢. Margarita pizzas, $3.79. Waffles, $1.39. Fiesta lollies, $2.99.
By the
Hash browns, $1.65. Spinach and mushroom pizza, $2.19. Chicken dippers, $1.55. Chicken fajita pizza, $2.19. Vanilla ice cream, $1.89. Laundry liquid, $3.59. Black bags, $1.79. Strawberry jam, $1.75. Nutella, $3.49. Yogurt cereal bars, $1.85. Pineapple slices, $1.15. Limoncello spritz, $8.99.
Oh yeah. Why?
And Hugo spritz, $8.99.
Oh, 'cause your
Ice cream flakes, $3.49. Barbecue chicken wings, $3.99. Kitchen towel, $1.89. Chocolate butter biscuits, 2 packets at $1.29 each. Ice cream cones, $1.39. Spring onions, 89¢. Chocolate sauce, $1.49.
okay?
Ready-made crepes, 2 packets at $2.09 each. Popcorn multi-pack, $1.99. Tropical Blast, $2.99 and a 90-cent deposit for the cans. Toothpaste, $3.49. Italian Orange, $3.99 and a 90-cent deposit for the cans. Toothpaste, $2.99. And that was our very full trolley for today. Okay, so this is what we ended up with today. I'll just do a quick run through to tell you what we're using everything for. So we got some eggs. I'm going to use that as one of the sides for the barbecue, so I'll do boiled eggs or egg mayo or something like that. 2 toothpastes because that's something we were out of, same with the black bags. So we have some vanilla ice cream here, which we're going to put with the cones that I'll show you in a moment. Then we got these ice creams because the kids loved them the last time and just asked could we pick them up, which is fine. Some chicken dippers, butter because we were out of that as well. 2 pizzas for pizza night, so we got spinach and mushroom this week, and we also got chicken fajita. Waffles as well, as we were out of them, and Owen highly recommends these Aldi dupes kind of thing of refrigerators, so they're a southern fried chicken flavour one, and he really enjoys them. We got a skimmed milk and a normal milk. We got these kind of San Pellegrino style orange drinks and also Tropical Blast. An orange juice, as we are going to be having family and friends down for the weekend, so we're going to use this for breakfasts. I did get a chocolate sauce to go with the ice cream and cones that we're having, and some chunky burger sauce to go with the barbecue we'll be doing on Saturday. Nutella because we got these ready-made crepes, as you can see over here. Normally we make pancakes ourselves, but because we are doing so much cooking for people over the weekend, I just thought it would be nice to have something easy for the kids as an option for breakfast time. So then we have 2 coleslaws, again another side for the barbecue stuff. We got red cheddar and mozzarella, and we got some cheesy singles and also normal mature white cheddar slices to go on burgers and stuff. Cheese strings, as Isla is obsessed with those at the moment. They're her favourite snack. So Caesar salad for Saturday. Cucumber. I'm going to be using the cucumber, the red onions, the tomatoes and the feta cheese here to make a Greek salad. And then pink lady apples, we're going to use these as our fruit options. We do have some left over from last week as well. We have kiwis and we'll be picking up some strawberries as always. I'm going to use these baby potatoes to make a potato salad along with these spring onions and this cooked crispy bacon. These are for breakfast options then, so we're going to do a fry one of the mornings. So we have black and white pudding, normal sausages, smoked rashers and hash browns for that. Then for the barbecue, we are going to do barbecue chicken wings. Going to use these for hot dogs, and we got quarter pounders for burgers. I couldn't get the buns because they would have been not great on the dates, so I'll go later on in the week to get those. We got some pineapple slices. I enjoy doing these on the barbecue so that we can put them on burgers and stuff. It makes it super tasty. Some sweet corn just to have because we had run out, and beans and some tuna. Then we have the margarita pizzas there that the kids normally have for pizza night, and they add their own toppings. Kitchen towels, non-bio washing powder, or liquid, sorry. And we got some jam. This jam was really good. We enjoyed it with the scones, so I got a bit more of that. And then these I have been really wanting to try. So the limoncello spritz was something I hadn't seen before, but Owen suggested we get it to give it a try. But this was the one I was looking for, was the Hugo spritz. It looks super yummy. So I had one of those I think 2 years ago now when we went on holidays to Croatia, and it was amazing. So I'm hoping to have 1 or 2 of them with some Prosecco over the weekend, and hopefully it will be lovely. So I will let you know how that goes, but it'll be hopefully super refreshing. We're meant to have gorgeous weather this weekend, so maybe it'll feel like I'm on holidays. So lastly then, I got some cones to go with the ice cream and flakes, and we got some bagels. The kids are enjoying these for lunches at the moment when they're at home. Croissants, chocolate croissants, some white bread and popcorn. And then I got these because we are going to set up the fire pit and a paddling pool at the weekend to enjoy while we're having our barbecue. So hopefully we'll use these with the giant marshmallows we got last week to make s'mores. So our total for this week came to €170 and 57 cents. So a little bit more expensive than normal. We are hosting a good few friends and family this weekend, so hence the reason why it was a bit more expensive. And we did get some kind of easier options for breakfasts and stuff like that as well, and ice cream too. Also, those 2 drinks that I got, so the spritzes, the Hugo and the limoncello one, were like, I think one was €12, one was probably about €9, so that would account for some of that too. So yeah, that is it from us for today. It is a little bit of a shorter one as we just have a lot of things going on at the moment and with summer holidays. So we are keeping this one short and sweet. But we hope you have enjoyed coming along with us nonetheless. And we hope to see you again soon for more of Our Irish Life.